we'll see coding for level order traversal of tree. So before going to the coding, if you are from C background, I'll suggest you to upgrade C++ or Java or Python. Why? Because suppose if you are from C background, see here I used Q. So Q is the data structure. Suppose if you are in C++ or Java or Python, so built-in data structures will be there. If you are in C++, you can bring it this Q from STL. If you are in Java, you can bring it from collection. Same like Python also. Suppose if you are in C, so before doing this program, you need to build your own queue here. So for flexibility and time saving, I will suggest you upgrade C to C++ or Java or Python. Now we'll see coding for level order traversal. Here I declared no type variable and queue. The idea behind level order traversal means we achieve level order using queue. So I declared queue, and first what I did, I pushed root node into the queue. Means here root node is nothing but 10 to, so 10 I pushed into the queue. After that I am checking queue is not empty, means queue is not empty, right? So already queue I'm having 10, so queue is not empty. So I'm coming here. So here I'm getting first element from queue. First element is nothing but 10. After that I am popping it 10 and I am printing 10. After that I am checking first element nothing but 10 nothing but here temp left is having anything, yeah, temp left is having 20, so 20 I am pushing into the queue. After that 10 left nothing, sorry, after that 10 right nothing but 30, so 10 right is having anything, yes, it is there 30, so 30 I am pushing into the queue. First 20 I pushed into the queue. After that 30 I pushed into the queue. So control comes back here. Queue is empty or not, it is checking. Queue is not empty, then it will come here. Temp equal to queue dot front. Queue dot front is nothing but 20. I am popping out. 20 I am printing. So 20 left is having anything, I am checking. Yes, 20 left is having 40. So 40 I am pushing into the queue. Then 20 right is having anything or not, I am checking. Yes, 20 right having 50. Then control it comes back here. Then queue dot front nothing but, now these two elements are removed. Now queue dot front nothing but 30. So 30 we are popping out, then 30 we are printing. Then 30 left having anything or not, we are checking. Yes, 30 left is nothing but 60. So 60 we are pushing into the queue. 30 left, sorry, 30 right nothing but 70. Here 30 right 70 we are pushing into the queue. Then control it comes back here. Queue is not empty. Then queue dot front means 40. 40 we are popping out, then 40 we are printing. 40 left is null, so nothing is there to push to pushing into the queue. Same here 40 right also nothing is there. So again control comes back here. Queue is not empty. Then temp equal to queue dot front means 50 we are popping out, 50 we are printing. 50 left and right both are null, so nothing to push into the queue. again control comes back here, so q is not empty. Again it will come here, so q dot front means 60 we are popping out, then 60 we are printing. Popping means removing. Then 60 left and right also nothing is there, so no need to push into the queue anything. Then control comes back here, temp equal to q dot front. Q dot front means 70 we are popping and 70 we are printing, so q is empty. Again control coming back here, then q is empty. Empty means it won't come into inside this while loop, then it will come out. So level order traversal we achieved using q.